Guys, today's our topic is cancer detection and diagnose. Cancer detection and diagnosis. If we are just go through with the cancer, there are of lots of methods by which we can detect cancer, in which few we are just study here. Early detection of cancer is essential as it allow the disease to be treated successfully in many cases. Means we can detect cancer earlier, so we can treat it easily. Following are the techniques for cancer detection and diagnosis, in which we study few of them. First one is through blood examination. In this, guys, one thing remember, अगर हमें कभी भी ब्लड से कोई चीज़ डायग्नोज करनी है, इफ वी आर गोइंग गो थ्रू विद अ ब्लड डायग्नोसिस, तो हम सबसे पहले उसमें डब्ल्यूबीसीज देखते हैं कि एक पर्टिकुलर डिसीज के लिए हमने ये भी पढ़ा है कि जो डब्ल्यूबीसीज है एक पर्टिकुलर एंटीबॉडी को वो जनरेट करती हैं। अगर वो एंटीबॉडी एक पर्टिकुलर डिसीज के लिए वो हमारे ब्लड में है, तो इसका मतलब वो डिसीज कहीं ना कहीं ट्रेसिस्ड है हमारी बॉडी के अंदर। दिस टेक्निक और टेस्ट for increased WBC count. In case of leukemia, in case of leukemias. The next one, detection of the tumor. Tumor markers. Tumor markers means a type or like alpha proteins, we can say. We can write it here. Tumor markers like alpha feto protein, that is AFP, for liver cancer, prostate, specific antigen. It's a prostate specific antigen. It is for prostate cancer. For prostate cancer. इसके अलावा we have a number of methods like alkaline phosphate for a bone and like a pus cell from a blood transfusion. There are lots of methods by which we can easily detect cancer in a body. Next is piracy or biopsy. In case of biopsy, what will happen? If a suspected tissue means we know that a person feeling pain and a swelling portion of this site, then doctors just cut a small piece or taken a small piece for their histological analysis, and if there is a cancer or a gene called carcinogen which is responsible for cancer, then they easily diagnose and they declare the person having a kind of cancer here. So in this specific part, in specific part, piece of the suspected side. In this, a piece of the suspected site taken, a piece of the tissue from suspected site taken into thin sections strained it and is examined under microscope called histopathological study. Histopathological study by a pathologist, and the pathologist who trained or diagnosed for a kind of disease here. Third part, that's a fine needle aspiration cytology. Fine needle aspiration cytology means by with the help of needle we can study. Cytology means study of the cell or a tissues. Example, for a brain tumor like ब्रेन या फिर ब्रेस्ट, सिस्ट या फिर ट्यूमर। In this case, fluid is collected from tumors and examine for
समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
presence of cancer cells here. The next one is X-ray detection, CT scan, and magnetic resonance image (MRI). In this case, this these techniques are very useful to detect cancer cancers of the internal organs. First of all, in CT scan and X-ray detection, X-rays are used to generate a three-dimensional image of the internal objects Next case in MRI, we used strong magnetic field and non ionizing radiations to accurately detect pathological and physiological changes in the living tissues. Next is modern technique. antibodies which are known as monoclonal.
Yeah, switch off.